Hi, in this video I'll show you the easiest way to prove that root 2 is an irrational number. We will prove this by a method called proof by contradiction. That means we'll first assume that root 2 is a rational number. We'll first assume that root 2 is a rational number. Rational. And later on we'll prove that our assumption is actually wrong and that root 2 is actually irrational, which we all know. So as we have assumed that root 2 is a rational number, what is a rational number? A rational number is a number which can be represented by a fraction. So if root 2 is a rational number, that means root 2 can be represented by any fraction a by b, where a and b are reduced to the smallest. It is not just any fraction, a and b are reduced to the smallest. Like, it is not like this, it has been reduced to the smallest. And when a fraction is reduced to the smallest, at least one of a or b is an odd number. Both a and b cannot be even. As you can see here, you can try out any fraction. If we reduce it to the smallest, at least one of them will be odd. Okay, so root 2 is a rational number and root 2 equals a by b. So b root 2 equals a, alright, or 2b square equals a square. So we are fine till here. Now a square equals 2 times something, so that means a square is an even number, alright, because it equals 2 into something. So a square is even, and there is a theorem which states that if a square of any number is an even, then it is an even number. So briefly I state you that the theorem is, if we have an even number, then its square is also even, and if we have an odd number, its square is also odd. So if a square is even, that means a is even, so b should be odd at least. Let us see. So since a is even, therefore a equals 2 times something, where k is any number, alright. So a equals 2k, therefore a square equals to 4k square. Alright, and from here we can write 2b square equals 4k square. From this equation we have replaced a square by 2b square. 2b square equals 4k square, or b square equal to 2k square. So b is now 2 into something, that means b square is also even, so b is also even. So a and b are both even, right? No, because when a by b is reduced to the smallest, at least one of them has to be odd. So our assumption is wrong. We lied. So root 2 is not a rational number, it is an irrational number. This proof is totally correct. Thank you. Forgot to say that if you like this video, please like this video. If you want to ask anything, please comment. And if you want to see more videos on computer science and anything, please subscribe. This is my first video. Thank you.